Hello, if you've made it here, then chances are you are looking for the features of Google Classroom, kind of how to navigate it, and things like that. So first off, if you are on your child's Google Classroom screen, you're going to see a bunch of little boxes that each represent one of their classes, either a core class, homeroom, or humanities class, and possibly a music class if they are in special instrument groups. So, as you go down, you're going to see a couple symbols here. And some of the symbols that your student has does not match my symbols. So, if you look on my class down here, you will see the same symbols as you will have for your student. First, there is a button with a clipboard with a person in it, and that will lead you directly to their work. And there is a folder over here that will lead you to all of the students' work for that class. So if you click into your Google Classroom, it's going to immediately open up to a screen that looks like this. Granted, it's not going to look exactly the same, as this is a model class and your students will probably have a lot more. So one of the main places that students come for information is the announcement screen. A lot of teachers use this for if they need up-to-the-moment announcements to give out to their students. So on the stream, there's generally going to be something posted here by teachers if needed. There's also a classwork tab. This is where students can come to view all of their work in one places. Most teachers put theirs into topics that kind of go along with maybe either the unit or the week that we are on currently. And the final button we have up here is a People tab, which only talks about the students that are in the class and the teacher of the class in general. Now, in the classwork section, there are a couple interesting buttons here. One button is View Your Work, which allows you a quick summary of what students have done and what still needs to be done. There is a Google Calendar button, which if you click into this, it will show you all of the assignments that your student has due for each of the different classes. And you can scroll that forward and backward to kind of see when other projects were due for students as well. So, if you feel like you have this, I would recommend that you move on to our video about turning in assignments. But if this was all you needed, thank you for coming to this video.